to do a YouTube channel, so this is my first ever video. I'm not very tech savvy, so bear with me as I learn. My channel is going to just consist of walking through my life kind of with me. It's mostly going to be my life in the gym and then some parts of my life outside the gym, but a lot of it is going to deal with my fitness life. So I'm pretty excited for that. I decided to start a YouTube channel because lifting is something that I wanted to take more seriously, and this is going to hold me like more accountable, and it's going to be good accountability for me, which I think will help me stay motivated. A little about myself. I am currently a senior in college. I get to graduate in May, so I'm pretty excited for that. I work 2 jobs. I work at a juvenile treatment facility, and I also work at this place called a Rally House, and I go to school full time. So I'm pretty busy a lot of the time, so finding time to stay in the gym and do all the necessary stuff is pretty hard, but I managed to make it work. I started seriously powerlifting about a year ago, to be honestly. I mean, I always was in the gym and always grew up doing sports and stuff, so I was pretty athletic, but I didn't really have a goal until about a year ago. And I competed in my first powerlifting competition last July, and I took first in bench and then second overall. It was just a small little competition, the Show Me Games in Colombia. So, and ever since then I've just felt I enjoyed it. Like, I loved it, and it was fun, and the crowd was great, and it was just great intensity. And I wanted to do another one, but I was going to do one in December, but with school and work I just didn't feel like my body had made the gains that it needed to be made in order to compete well and to do what I needed to do, so I decided not to compete. The next competition I'm looking at is June 4th, so I'm pretty excited for that one. Currently right now my training program is made roughly for a 6-day program, but most of my work is fit into 5 days, and the 6th day is just like a accessory, hit it if you can, because working 2 jobs and going to school, I don't have a lot of free time, so it's kind of hard sometimes. I squat on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I deadlift and bench on Tuesdays and Thursdays. My main focus on right now is getting my legs to be stronger, because with a stronger leg base, my deadlift's automatically going to be stronger, and I'll be able to drive through on my bench. So I just feel like overall that is going to help me completely. Alright, so currently I am weighing about 158, 159 pounds. It fluctuates pretty much daily. I'm not looking to drop down to the 148 pound weight class. I'd like to compete in the 165 just to give me a little cushion, and so I don't really have to stress about cutting weight closer to things or gaining a lot of weight. My squat right now is currently at 250. My deadlift is at 285, and my bench is at 140. The last time I tested those was the beginning of January, the end of December, so they are more than likely to be higher now, which is a good thing. But I have not tested them frequently, which I probably will do after I get back from my Denver trip that I'm leaving on tomorrow, just so I have a solid base to start training for my competition in June. Recently just started counting my macros, so that's kind of new to me too, so bear with me. Like I said, it's a lot of trial and error, but that's the only way you're gonna be able to learn, is just figuring out what works best for your body, and what works for me may not work for you guys, but I'll do my best to be able to answer any questions. So I hope that you guys enjoy this, and you guys at least watch a couple of them before you decide to give up on me, because it's really something that I would really like to do. So yeah, I'm kind of excited.